Good morning, dear student. Okay, dear student. Today we will study chapter 3rd, Amar and the Ball. Amar and the Ball. So please pay attention to understand the chapter. Okay. Dear student, do you know what this is called? Ball. What is this, beta? What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. And how many games in played with ball, beta? Who answer? How many games played with ball? Cricket, volleyball, basketball. Okay. Football. These are played by the ball. And now we see in this paragraph, in this chapter, Amar had an old ball. Dear student, Amar had an old ball. It is old and dirty, he said. He said that the ball is very old and dirty also. I will throw it in the dustbin. Amar said that I will throw the ball away and to the dustbin. Amar threw the ball in the dustbin, but it bounced out of the bin and went bouncing along the street. Then what happened? When the Amar threw the ball in the dustbin, the ball bouncing means go up, okay, and went bouncing in the street. Went bouncing in the street, okay. Then what happened in the second paragraph? A dog chased the ball, it bounced over a tree. A dog chased the ball, but it bounced over the tree. Okay. A cat was sitting on it. A cat was also sitting on it. It jumps off the tree and ran after the ball, but the ball went very fast. But the ball goes very fast and fast. The ball went on bouncing until it fell into a hole. In the afternoon, the postman picked it up. In the afternoon, a postman picked it up. He bounced it and went along the street, giving people their letters, but the ball bounced away from the postman. Okay, the postman ball is bounced again. Okay, the ball went bouncing. The ball bouncing again and again. Okay. In this way, no one catch the ball, and until it goes into the hole. Okay, into the hole. And one afternoon, a postman picked it up. Who picked it up? A postman picked it up. He bounced it. Went along the street. When the postman bounced the ball, throw the ball, he bounced along the street and giving people their letter, but the ball bounced away. But the ball bounced away from the postman. It bounced along with the road, along the street, and turn up like the next page. Street went inside a house through a window. The ball goes through the window, house inside. And whose house is this? This house is Amar's house. Whose house? Amar's house. Amar was surprised when he saw the ball again. Okay, this time he did not throw it in the bin. He washed it and cleaned it. He took it out to the playground. His friend Ravi saw the ball and said, "Let us play with the ball." He said, what fun they had. In this way, when Amar found the ball again, he did not throw it. He washed it, cleaned it, and Ravi's friend said that let us play the ball and they take a lot of fun. Okay, so in this way, dear friend, I explained the chapter very well. If you feel any difficulty to understand it, okay, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day.